Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting GoodLock and QuickStar installed. Buy no extra apps, use Galaxy Store. Once done, open GoodLock and add QuickStar. Make sure you grant notification and accessibility permissions when prompted, because QuickStar needs those to modify the status bar. Also sign into your Samsung account if asked. If a module update appears, install it now. This sets up the one reliable method Samsung exposes for changing the battery icon, without rooting or third-party launchers. You open QuickStar, tap Status Bar, then choose Battery Style. You'll see built-in icon options and sometimes downloadable packs. Pick the one you want and preview it. Once selected, tap Apply or Save inside QuickStar so the change writes to System UI. Make sure to exit GoodLock and let the system settle. Sometimes you must force stop System UI or reboot for the new icon to appear. This step modifies what the status bar draws, so you'll immediately see the new battery graphic. Now confirm the icon shows consistently on the home screen, lock screen, and always on display. If you don't see it, make sure GoodLock and QuickStar are updated and that your phone's region supports the module. Change region only if you understand consequences. If problems persist, clear QuickStar cache, reboot, or reinstall the module. As a final tip, if System UI crashes or the icon reverts, revert QuickStar settings and reboot. Then reapply the chosen battery style to restore stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.